Welcome to our Figma course. Whether you are just starting out or looking to master advanced UI/UX techniques, you are in the right place. In this course, we will take your Figma fundamentals to advanced UI/UX design, covering everything in between. We will learn how to harness the power of Figma features from the basic to the most advanced tools. But we are not stopping there. We will be diving into the UI/UX principle, ensuring you understand not just how to use Figma, but why certain design choices are made. Our projects are not just an exercise, they are real world scenarios. Each project brings with a comprehensive briefs dealing with project goals and targeted audience. Then we will map our task flow, identify the key components like project detail page, checking out process and home pages. From there, we will move on to the creating low filter wireframes, laying the foundation for your design. This is where you will start to grasp the fundamentals of UI UX, all while exploring Figma feature in depth. Once you master wireframing, we will move on to the high fidelity UI design. You will learn how to bring your design to the life, creating a stunning visual that not only look great but also enhance the user experience. Prototyping is the next on the agenda, where you will learn to add animation, micro interaction, and other advanced feature to your design. Understanding the psychology behind UX is crucial. We will explore how color, text, and animation can influence user behavior. And finally, you will have the opportunity to put everything you learn into practice with real world projects. But remember, we won't be spoon feeding you. You will tackle this project on your own, applying this concept and techniques you have learned throughout the course. As for resources, we got you covered. You will receive a zip file filled with icons, plugins, and links to inspiration and useful websites. These resources will help enhance your Figma and UI/UX skills, ensuring you are well equipped for success. So, are you ready to become the Figma master? Let's dive in and design something amazing together.